children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 11, Money, Exercise 11.5, Question number 1 CD and 4. You can refer textbook page number 135 and 136. Coming to first one, find the profit or loss in the following cases. So what is the given here? Selling price and cost price. We have to find the profit or loss. So coming to solution, what is the selling price? Rupees 7,250 rupees. And what is the cost price? Rupees 8,750. Children, check it. Which is greater? Selling price is greater or cost price is greater? Cost price is greater. So cost price is greater than the selling price. So there is loss. So how to find loss? Loss equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. So what is the CP here? Rupees 8,750 rupees minus 7,250 rupees. Now subtract 8,750 rupees minus 7,250. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. So loss equal to 1,500. Loss equal to rupees 1,500. Got it? How to find the loss? Next one. SP is given, means selling price is given 42,000 and CP is given 40,500. We have to find the profit or loss. Coming to solution. Selling price is rupees 42,000 and cost price is given rupees 40,000. And we have to find the profit or loss. See which is greater, children? Selling price or cost price? Selling price is greater than cost price. So there is profit. What we will get? Profit. How to find the profit? Profit or gain. So SP minus CP. So what is the SP? Rupees 42,000 minus what is the CP? 40,500. 40,500. Now we have to subtract 40,500 from 42,000. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 can be. Now we have to regroup it from here. So it will be 10, it will be 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So how much profit? 1,500. Profit equal to rupees 1,500. How to find profit loss? Got it, children? Coming to next one. Javed sells the cycle for rupees 2,500. If he made a profit of rupees 400, find the cost price of the cycle. So here selling price of the given cycle is, what is that one? Rupees 2,500. Profit on cycle is how much, children? 400 rupees. So he made profit. We have to find selling price of the selling price SP of the cycle we know and profit we know. We have to find the cost price. How to find the cost price? So cost price CP of the cycle equal to SP minus profit. SP minus profit. What is the SP? Rupees 2,500 minus 400. What did you get, children? 2,100. So the CP of the cycle is 2,100. How cost price of the cycle. Got it, children? We have to find the cost price of the cycle equal to SP minus profit. We will get the CP of the cycle. Once again practice, children. Thank you.